Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan for French channels on your Newmax decoder. So this Newmax S2022 HD Decoder, that's the S2022 HD Decoder. So how are you going to actually scan for the French channels or multitv channels or Cameroonian channels on your Newmax decoder? So the first thing that you have to do is to get a stable signal from the MyTV platform or the frequency that you want to use to actually get those French channels, which is 10804 horizontal 30K. I'm going to highlight it on the screen for you. Whenever we reach the installation menu, you have to get to know that frequency if you want to track and then scan for the French channel. So after having a stable signal on the Eurotest at 16A on the 16 degrees east, that's their satellite. So having a stable signal not less than 60%, that will allow you to actually get more of the signal and more of the channels as well. All you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button. So from the menu here, all you got to do is to use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. So installation, you press OK on it, and then here you need to confirm with the default password on the decoder. So you press 0000, which is 4 zeros, for it to open up. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So here we have the installation type. You need to select the S2. The T2 is for the digital settings or for the terrestrial channel settings. So you need to select the S2 since you are trying to get those French channels, which is on the satellite FTA platform. So you come to the antenna settings, and that's where you need to select the satellite that you want to use to actually scan, and then the transponder. But on this page, you have not yet add the TP, which you want to use it to scan the decoder to get those channels. So all you got to do is to come to the transponder list page, and then you press OK on it. So on this page, all you have to do is to add the transponder with the French channels or the MyTV Africa channel, and you need to select a certain satellite which you're gonna use it to scan for those channels. And with the satellites, selecting the satellite, we have some command below that. Press on the start button for the satellite option to pop up. We have red to add, green to edit, yellow to delete, and blue to scan. So you press on the start button on the remote for the satellite option to open up, and then here you select a satellite folder just to add the TP. Then you proceed to scan to get the channels. Now you can search through the list if you will find the Eurotest at 16, which is their exact satellite. Eurotest at 16. Let's search through the list if it's available. Alright, so you have Eurotest at 16 exactly here, and then you select. So in case you cannot find the Eurotest at 16, you can select a different satellite, and then you proceed by adding the TP and then getting a stable signal to scan the decoder right there. So here you need to add a transponder. You can search through the list if you find a 10804, which you are likely not to find it over here. So all you have to do is to add, and with the adding, you need to press on the red button on the remote for the add option to pop up, and then you have to add, which is 10804. that's their frequency, and then the symbol reads 3000, and polarity is horizontal. You change it to horizontal and you press OK to save or highlight it. So as you can see on the signal quality, it's supposed to show So you highlight it and then you go back to the installation settings page. Here you come down to select the Eurotelsat, and then you change it to KU transponder. You put it on. There's our transponder right there. Alright, so the LMB frequency, change it to a universal figure since they have changed it right there. So as you can see, we have the signal quality showing 40% right there. So after this, all you got to do is to proceed to scan. And with the scanning on the transponder list page, if you're supposed to scan it over there, you will not get access to the blind scan option. So on this page, if you are to scan by selecting the right satellite, there is no blind scan option. They have locked it on a manual search. So all the time you need to go back to the antenna settings page. You select your satellite, and then you select the right transponder, the one that you add, and you proceed by scanning, pressing on the blue button on the remote for the scan menu to pop up. So here you have the channel type. You can put it on or FT only to avoid all the channels that will come along with it. $, sign that will not be working. So you can select FT only or leave it on all. And we have the scan type. You change it to blind for you to get access to all the channels in and around the MyTV platform, or to get all the French channels available. So here all you got to do is to press on the OK button to proceed to scan, and you need to wait for it to complete scanning to get access to the channels that will come along after scanning. So if you have watched this video up to this far and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. So you can use the same steps on your decoder. If it's not a Newmax decoder, just have a stable signal from the MyTV platform, which is on the 16 degrees on the northeast, using the TP, which is 10804 horizontal 30K to get a stable signal, and you are good to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. you.